Good morning and welcome back to episode 9 on how to build your own home. We've made a lot of leeway and now we have finished the insulation. With the new energy code, we've had to do a lot of insulation to this home. We're finishing building a home that's double the size of this home, and the cost of the insulation on this home is just as much because the amount of material and labor that went into it. We've had to insulate the rafters, the attics, and the walls. As you can see here, with the drywall, it's already been put in the ceilings, but you can see all the exterior walls are insulated in the home. We've also insulated a lot of the interior of the home just for sound deadening. It's not part of the code, but we thought it would be nice. So for example, over here, going into the dining room, they put some insulation on this wall, but most importantly was this wall in the dining room goes into the master bedroom. So in case you have people over, it's all insulated in here. And hopefully that will provide just a little bit more comfort for the homeowner. The next thing that we're looking to do today, which we decided to do last minute, so I'm gonna have to do the work on this, is we have the shear wall that goes from the guest bedroom into the kitchen and dining room area. It's not required to get insulated, so it's not, but we figured having the bathroom backing up to the family room here, you probably hear some noises and things when people are taking showers. So today we're going to go ahead and insulate it. In this home we have 2x6 studs. So we went out and bought an R19 insulation that's 15 inches wide, so that should fit pretty good in between all the studs. It's made for 2x6 walls. So let's get going, let's get it installed. Alright, that was quick. So now we've got everything insulated. Again, this is not for energy purposes, it's just to get some sound deadening between the bathroom and the living area. So hopefully this does the trick. In the next couple of days, drywall will be done. Then we can start on the exterior stucco and getting the roof put on after we put in the brown coat. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you for the next episode.